Hi, this is Deepu. Sometimes when we receive an email from a friend or from any site that we need, it may go to the spam folder instead of main inbox. I think some of you already seen this problem on your Gmail account. So how can we manage the email problem? There you have to do some tweaks on Gmail account. Let's see how to do it. First sign into your Gmail account, and over here you can see the settings option on the top right corner. Click on it, see the settings option, just click settings. Here you can find the filter and blocked addresses. Select it and create a new filter. Just click the link. Okay, this is the window for whitelist any email address or any individual website. You can enter the specific email address on the from list. Here I will show you the example. Just typing youtube@gmail.com. If you enter a domain name like amazon.com or eBay, whatever you want to receive a mail from a website, simply add the domain name here for whitelist. Now click the create filter and the next window. Here you can control the email receiving destination. On the list, check the never send it to spam. So when you receive a email from the specified email address, it will never go to the spam. Okay, this is how we manage the friendly email address or a domain name. I hope this video will help you to manage your own Gmail account. Thanks for watching. See you next time.